In the tranquil embrace of wetland habitats, where the earth meets the sky in a seamless horizon, there exists a creature whose presence embodies the essence of these marshlands. With every graceful step and haunting calls, it paints poetry in motion against the canvas of nature. Ladies and gentlemen, a bird of elegance and grace, the Eurasian curlews. Asian curlews, with the scientific name Numenus arquata, belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Tariao, family Scolopacidae, and genus Numenus. Eurasian curlew earns its name from the distribution across the Eurasian continent, spanning from Europe to Asia. This migratory bird can be found breeding in various regions, including the British Isles, Russia, and part of Central Asia. During this winter month, it migrates southward to spend the season in regions such as Mediterranean, Africa, the Indian subcontinent, and parts of Southeast Asia. The term Eurasian denotes the vast geographical range that this species inhabit, encompassing both European and Asian continent. While there are other species of curlews found in different parts of the world, such as the long-billed curlew in North America and the far eastern curlew in Australia and the Pacific, the Eurasian curlew is distinguished by its habitat and distribution across Eurasia. The Eurasian curlew is the largest, wider in its range, at 50 to 60 cm in length, with an 89 to 106 cm wingspan and a body weight of 410 to 1,360 grams. It is mainly grayish-brown with a black, grayish-blue legs and very long curved bill. Male and female look identical, but the bill is longest in the female adult. It is generally not possible to recognize the sex of a single Eurasian curlew, or even several ones, as there is much variation. Telling males and females of a mate pair apart is usually possible. The Eurasian curlew is a fascinating species. It's not just its appearance that's captivating, but its behavior and ecology as well. These birds undertake remarkable migration, traveling thousands of kilometers between breeding and wintering grounds. The nest of Eurasian curlew is a bare scrape on taiga, meadow, and similar habitats. The clutch size of the curlew consists of 4 eggs, which are laid on April or May and incubates them for about a month until they begin to hatch. It has been observed that curlews tend to nest close to common kestrels' nest, as they can offer protection from the predators, such as corvids, even though kestrels also predate curlews' nests. However, the very wetlands that sustain these majestic birds are under threat. Human encroachment, habitat destruction, and climate change loom as formidable challenge, placing the Eurasian curlews and its habitat in peril. The Eurasian curlew was formally listed as species of least concern by the IUCN, owing to its expansive range and relatively large population. However, the population of the Eurasian curlew was noticed to be declining at a very rapid rate. Following the evaluation of its population trend, the classification was found to be outdated, and it was consequently promoted to near threatened status in 2008. Though it is a common bird, its number are noticed to be declining, particularly in United Kingdom and Ireland, which have about a quarter of the global population. In the 20 years up to 2016, the population is estimated to have declined by more than 50% in England and Scotland, more than 80% in Wales, and more than 90% in Ireland. At the end of 2015, it was placed in the United Kingdom's Red List of most endangered species. The curlew is one of the species to which the IWA, or Agreement on the Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Water Birds, applies. But amidst these challenges, there is hope. Conservationists, scientists, and communities are coming together to protect this vital ecosystem and safeguard the future of Eurasian curlew. For as long as the marshland echo with the hunting calls of Eurasian curlew, there remain a promise to preserve the beauty and diversity of our natural world for generations to come. In the quietude of dusk, the legacy of Eurasian curlew lives on, a testament to the enduring spirit of wilderness. Once again, this is Ruth Grace Tariao, stand as a guiding light for knowledge and exploration, ready to illuminate path ahead. Goodbye and see you next time.